What is going on, Bobcat family? This is your favorite tutor, Armand Houston, and welcome back. Today's our follow-up demo from the last video on simplifying complex fractions. This time, we'll simplify the same expression using the flip and multiply method. Here's how we'll do it. We'll leave the numerator of the complex fraction intact, flip the denominator, and rewrite it in multiplicative form. But before we dive into the meat and potatoes, let's take a quick review. So previously, we simplified the expression by factoring the quadratic terms and dividing out the common factors. And we'll do the same thing here. When we looked at the numerator of the complex fraction, we used the difference of two squares formula to factor x squared minus 9. That gave us x plus 3 times x minus 3. We also factored x squared minus x minus 6 by assuming it could be written as x plus a times x plus b for some numbers a and b. After expanding and comparing, we found a equals minus 3, b equals 2, and that gave us x minus 3 times x plus 2. Finally, we factored x squared minus 4 as x plus 2 times x minus 2, doubling up on our use of the difference of two squares. Now, we'll rewrite the complex fraction in terms of these factors just like we did before. And it won't take long to notice how much cleaner this setup is compared to the behemoth we tackled earlier. This time, we're robbed of the joy of finding a common denominator because we don't need one. We can go straight to dividing out the common factors. So what do you say? Let's do it. So on the left, we have what was previously in the numerator of the complex fraction, and we can divide out the factor x minus 3. That leaves us with the rational expression x plus 3 over x plus 2. Now, turn your attention to the reciprocal term on the right. We can cancel the x plus 2 in its numerator with the x plus 2 in the denominator of the rational expression on the left. And to mop things up, we cancel the final x plus 3, leaving us with x minus 2. Nice and clean. And with that, my friends, we are finished. If you haven't seen our first video where we use factoring and common denominators, check it out next. It pairs perfectly with this one. Thank you for learning with Bobcat Math. This is Armand Houston signing off, and I'll see y'all next time.